So we've just fixed the rest of this one up where we put the new fish in. Just making sure it's a bit more sturdy. Using some more of the wet clay stuff that we're digging out from down here. So what's Nat's doing at the moment is that there, if you can see the seam just going up there, well that's where obviously the two different types of sheeting. So what Nat's doing is he's digging it all out so we can get it all exposed, so we can get this glued in to hold the water in a bit more. Is that right, Nat?
Yeah, so we need, obviously there's gaps. That's where the water's been leaking from. So we just need to glue some of the lining over this and just glue the hell out of it so it'll hold water. Hopefully we get done today, fill this last trench up. Well, that's the plan anyway. Hopefully it works.
So we can get this all filled up. It's obviously got 3 bits going off, like an E shape, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
It's all holding water through the middle bit. It just keeps leaking in them gaps, so hopefully we can get them sorted.
So we've come for a little drive today. We found this nice little sports complex. It's proper quiet. There's football pitches, the basketball courts up there.
Badminton or some sort.
Yeah.
Indoors.
So we thought, and there's loads of these nice little seating areas. There's one here, one there. There's about 4 or 5 here. So we thought, oh, we'll get some food, come back. So we got some food. We all got Pago Pals, and then the kids have got their fried rice. But yeah,
Spicy.
we probably have we bought a football, didn't we? So we'll probably have a kick of the football in a bit.
A little kick about.
Just behind us there, they got some goals and nets. So yeah, nice little find today. Nice and relaxing. You kick, Mal. Kick. Kick.
Now try a different game.
No, it doesn't go there.
No.
Mason, have it. You save it then, Mal.
Saving it, Mal.
Look at Mason. I think he's feeling a bit hungry.
Mate, I'm going out. I'm going to munch all night. Big bag of cheddar, milkshake, Kit Kat, Snickers, toasted burritos and chicken bolognese thing.
He's on a hunt for some snacks. What's all these snacks?
I don't want any more.
You're just going to have to try them, aren't you?
No.
Only one way to find out, Mace.
True.
Right, welcome back to another vlog. So it's time. My hair's getting a bit outdated. So we come this shop here. So we asked him earlier because we came and got food from across the road. It's 100 baht a haircut, so I was like, oh, 100 baht, I'll get me a haircut for that much.
That's £2. Yeah, 210, 2 quid.
And Mason might get his haircut as well.
I'm going to see how they butcher his hair. And
So-
if it's half respectable, I'll get my size done. If not, I'll wait till I get back to my barber.
I'm going to be the test dummy, see if it's any good. But I don't really care, as long as it's shorter, it'll do me. But yeah, we'll see. Here it is, the barber shop. I think she's only got 1 seat, she's got someone in. This is a little waiting area outside. You can also sit inside. I think she's got an aircon. But yeah, just next to the bike shop.
Restaurant across the road.
On our main road really, this is like our main road, so drive 5-10 minutes down there, you get to our turning.
It's like
Yeah.
5k, innit?
Yeah, it's not very far, but less than a 10-minute drive up there. Yeah, you excited to get your hair cut?
Oh, no, I've seen what yours looks like. Unlike Nat, I'm quite funny about my hair.
Yeah,
Nat don't really care.
I don't really care, as long as it's short, it'll do me. Oh, she has got an aircon, I've spotted it. So yeah, 100 baht a haircut, bargain. Before I came out, I paid £21. I couldn't believe it.
Mine's 25 quid back home.
25 quid a haircut. Over here, you're talking 2 quid.
Yeah, 25 quid for 3 weeks, look.
So just wanted to do a quick video before we go in. So this is the before. See the got sideburns and everything now. It's a bit of a mess. But yeah, and this is me.
Mine's not too bad.
Yeah,
It's just on the sides. I need the sides and that done. The top, she's not touching the top, so that's not happening. It'd just be sides if anything.
But mine's well overgrown now, so just a little before, and then we'll show you what it's like after. He's about to.
800เอ้ย5อาหาร800น่าจะรู้เร็วนะใจเย็นใจเย็น
How's it going, Nat?
Yeah, good.
Just had half his face shaved with a razor blade.
I don't know what's going on. Here's Mason, look, he's about to.
Yeah.
Mason going for his mullet, look.
โอ้พี่ไม่หูมันเกะกะ
There he is, Mace. He just had his size chopped up.
Breathable now. I don't want to go above my old fade line because otherwise there'll be room when I get home.
He's trying to grow a mullet.
Time, mate. Thanks, time. There's Nat's finished product. All the way around. What do you reckon? You happy?
400 baht, yeah?
£2, £2.20. He had razor cut for all of his beard and tash.
Yeah.
Shape up, little bit of top, all the way around.
Look young again.
£2.20, mate.
5 years off.
Mental.
So cake ladies come to buy our eggs. So we've got 7 crates for her here. But we're doing a little exchange. So she brought her cakes. And we're gonna pick a few. Well, look at the cakes though, we can mix them. Which one, mate? I want you to like that.
You want one of the ones with the marshmallow ones for the girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, nah. Only get 2 of the green ones.
Oh look, these are the cakes that we chose. Let me get out of the way. Just a few different varieties. Look at Mason, he's like a kid in a candy shop, literally. So in the end we got 320 baht plus all these cakes. So we made a profit still. And got a free cake.
Oh my god, it's pink.
Whoa. That sponge looks nice.
Look at that.
So these cakes are probably made with our eggs. Which is crazy. Is it nice?
What do you say these green ones are? Like a tea.
Green tea, yeah. Matcha, isn't it? Green tea.
There you go. Nat's first try. Don't eat all of it. That's your hard graph, them eggs.
Yeah. Like a pig. This pig is probably made without eggs, which is makes it taste a bit nicer. Here's
full chocolate.
Mason's first try of the cake.
Chocolate on chocolate with white chocolate. Oh, man. No, well stuffed, isn't it?
Yeah. The sponge is well nice, isn't it?
It looks so fluffy. So we're getting them again.
Right, welcome back to the vlog. So today, just another one. So we bought 3 of these tubs. What we're going to do is dig a hole for them to go in. Just make 3 little ponds. And then we're going to put some guppies and lily plants on just to make the front of the yard look a bit nicer. Just a bit more presentable, just a homely touch, isn't it? So.
And some pets for the kids.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a circle, but I don't know what's going on here. We've got to dig it out and then let's move it off of that afterwards. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's the job for today. I'm still waiting for a tea or a coffee from Camilla, but don't know what time that's coming.
Never if you speak to me like that.
Well, yeah, hopefully we'll show you when it's done. Get some guppies in here today. Right, so we've done one. This is what we're going for. So obviously we've dug the hole, put the pond in the ground, and covered the sides, just so it's even. So we're doing 3 of them, so we're doing the second one now. And with all the mud, we're just going to rake over the front garden, because we're going to throw some grass seeds down as well, so we'd have a nice lawn here at the front, easier to maintain. And then we'll have 3 nice ponds with a few fish and some lilies, so it should look nice, just a bit more presentable. But yeah.
What are you getting that?
We just find some guppies to put in our new ponds. Find some guppies, we'll get some nice lilies at some point, or we're going to get some weeds in that front. Just to look nice in front of the house. What was it? That time before. You've done 30 bar.
Are you sure you don't want a bird, Camilla? Little rabbit, little house rabbit.
You shit everywhere. You can't keep it in the house.
Yeah.
In a cage in the house, not on its own.
Right, so here we are, we've got 60 guppies in the end, so we've got 3 clubs, so we can put 20 in each. 30 males, 30 females. We've got some pond plants as well, keep them nice and cool and oxygenated. But yeah, look, take a closer look at our guppies. It's a beautiful fish. Fish.
Well done, Kaya. Fish. Wow, beautiful. Yeah. Why is it beautiful?
Then nice. Beautiful fish. Yeah.
What you got? Oh, I'm filming.
Oh.